Have you ever had to write this type of arrays where you have to fill it with numbers? You can do better by using the constructor of array and the method fill. The constructor will create an array with the exact length, and fill will tell the array to be filled with that value, in this case number 3. But the thing you want is a range array, something that start and end in a number. You can create that by using array.from. This method accepts a configuration object where you can set the length of the new array, and a map function as a second argument where you describe how you want to fill that array. With that in mind, you can easily create a range function that takes two arguments, start and end, and use that to describe the length, and use the map function, pass it as a second argument to array.from, to generate the range. If you want to watch more tips about JavaScript, TypeScript, and web development in general, subscribe to the channel.